the pre-dynastic period, Neolithic communities in the northeastern part of Africa traded hunting for agriculture. This made early advances in Egyptian arts, crafts, technology, politics, and religion. Around 3400 BC, two kingdoms were established, the Red Land in the north and the White Land in the south. A southern king called King Scorpion was the first to try to conquer the northern kingdom. A century later, King Menes would merge the two kingdoms together. In the Archaic period, King Menes found ancient Egypt's capital, which was White Walls. It would be soon Memphis. To ancient Egyptians, the king was closely related to the god Horus. In the Archaic period, many ancient Egyptians were mostly farmers. During this time, the economy was based on agriculture, which was mostly wheat and barley grown by farmers. The flooding of the Nile River provided most of the water needed for the agriculture. Also, during this time, the earliest hieroglyphics were found during this period. During the Old Kingdom time period, one of the classic seven wonders of the world was built. It was called the Step Pyramid at Saqqara. It was built because King Dahosur asked Imhotep to build a monument for him. This is one of the first stone buildings built. During the 5th and 6th dynasties, however, the kingdom's wealth slowly depleted because of the major expenses due to the construction of the pyramids. Also during this time, the people started to believe in the god Ra than their king. The 7th and 8th dynasties brought good fortune to Memphis-based rulers until about 2160 BC. The all-central authority collapsed and led to a civil war between provincial governors. This situation was made worse by the Bedouin invasion, famine, and disease. This led to the kingdom splitting into two. The 9th and 10th dynasties had 17 rulers based in Hierakonpolis. It was between Memphis and Thebes. During this time, a Theban prince rises and topples over Hierakonpolis and starts the 11th dynasty. After the 11th dynasty king was assassinated, the throne was passed down to his vizier, which is now King Enheb, the founder of the 12th dynasty. A new capital was found at Idoi, south of Memphis, and during this time, Thebes continues to be a great center of religion. During this time, Egypt invaded Nubia with its rich supply of gold, ebony, ivory, and other resources. Also during this time, ancient Egypt flushed out the Bedouins, which invaded in the first intermediate period. Egypt made trade relationships with Syria, Palestine, and other countries. They also upgraded their military forces and mining quarries, and they started to build pyramids again. During this time, Queen Seberkhernufu was the first female ruler in Egypt.